Welcome back to our channel. So today is a very different video. We're making mason jar salads. Now, I'm new to this. Amelia has actually brought a mason jar before to our filming days. I was like, what the heck? How does that even work? I've seen it before, but I did not know that the purpose of it was to tip it upside down and then you have a gorgeous salad with dressing on top. Like, I thought that was so like genius-like. You can keep these in the fridge for up to about 3 to 4 days, depending what's inside them. So that's great for lunches, dinners on the run. So it's like a lunchbox on the go. This is what we've prepared earlier. Let's show you how to make it. Let's get to it. Jar salad is a Mexican burrito style salad, and we're going to put in the wet ingredients first, and that's the #1 rule with mason jar salads. You want to have the wet ingredients down the bottom, and then you work your way up to the dry ingredients, so then none of the dry ingredients get contaminated or soggy with the wet. So first up, we're going to pop in the homemade salsa. Now you can buy a jar salsa or you can make your own. So going along with the wet theme, we put in the tomatoes because they also really wet vegetable. You don't want to put too much in because remember you got to fit a lot of ingredients in. This is some charred corn that we prepared earlier. Again, same with the thin layer, just covering a bit of the tomatoes. Another thing to remember is if you're adding like hot salsa or meat or anything, make sure it's cooled down because you don't want heat to make the lettuce or anything wilt. Next ingredient is guacamole. Now we've made this homemade, but you could either buy guacamole or just put chunks of avocado in there. But remember, if you're putting chunks of avocado, to cover it with a bit of lemon juice so it preserves the color and it won't go brown. All right, so our next ingredient is some chopped up lettuce. Use any green lettuce. You could even use spinach if you wanted to. Then we just want to layer it with some mince. We've added some black beans to this, but we've done some onions, some mince, some black beans, and some burrito seasoning. We're using very large jars, so this is a very large portion, but you could use smaller jars if you wanted a small portion. So we're just gonna top it with some grated cheese. This looks so delicious, I'm so hungry. No. Oh my golly goodness. And some corn chips. You can just chuck these on, or you could even crush them up. I might crush them up just slightly so it's a bit more easier to eat in the salad. How good does that look? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to eat that. Ta-da! Ah! Beautiful. Good job. Now that's ready to go. Take to work, to school, on a play day. So we're making a chicken Cobb salad in a mason jar. First ingredient, as you know, for a mason jar salad, so you can tip it, is the dressing. Now this is a Greek yogurt and dill dressing. So the next ingredient would be the tomatoes because they are quite a watery vegetable. Then you'd pop the cucumber in as well. And then another wet ingredient would be the avocado. And now we're going to add an egg, which is very similar to a Caesar salad, but this is a different dressing than Caesar salad. And then we're going to add our meat, which is, we have some bacon for this one. And we're going to add in the chicken pieces. And you can use cooked chicken, like the roast chicken that you buy from the store, or you can cook your own as well. And lastly, we're going to add in the Cobb lettuce on the top, because that is the bottom layer when you tip it up. And that is our Cobb lettuce and chicken mason jar salad. And now we gotta just tip it up. Next mason jar salad, it is a strawberry spinach salad. So we're going to have a bit of a vinaigrette dressing, so we're going to put that at the bottom because obviously it's the wet ingredient. I've put some 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper. Next I'm going to put in the feta cheese, so just crumble, put a fair amount in as well so it covers up the dressing at the bottom so the dressing won't soak into the next ingredients. Some toasted walnuts. Now these have been roughly broken up and toasted in a pan. You can toast them in the oven even. Some shallots from Bridie's garden. Also add some red onion to this if you wanted to. That would make a nice colour. Next we're going to add the beautiful strawberries we've chopped up. I'm going to add a decent amount of these because you just want as many strawberries as possible because they're amazing. We have a lot of spinach, so why not use it? We're going to stuff in some spinach. As we said earlier, we always put the lettuce or the greenery up the top because if you want to tip it onto a plate or a bowl, the lettuce or the spinach or whatever it is always at the bottom, and you've got the dressing that covers the top because that's here at the bottom, if that makes sense. Our strawberry and spinach salad. Finally, we get to eat. Anyway, thanks for watching our mason jar salad. Hope you got inspired. We're gonna enjoy our lunch. Bye. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. So good. This is excellent. So good. Amazing. Everyone should do this. I don't know why everyone doesn't do this.
I know. Maybe everyone will now.
Can I try it?
I love how the sauce just goes on top.
So we're making a video and we are making mason jar salads.
A chicken Cobb lettuce salad. Chicken Cobb salad. Forget the lettuce.
Oh yeah.
Every time. We should say it together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's get to it. It's so funny, but it's cute. Okay. We have like, that was bad. I've done like a shoddy job of that. That was so dodgy. I need water. Hello, my darling. What are you doing?
It's supposed to be sleeping.
I knew it! I knew it! He's at work. He's at work. Now, Evie, remember I told you that you have to be good for Daddy, go to sleep. Are you listening? My Bridie's kitchen. Listen. Hi, darling. I love you. And listen to Daddy and go to sleep now. And when you wake up, Daddy can give you a treat. Okay.
Her pitiful garden's right over here.
Yeah. At least we have shallots growing. Is that the right word? Okay, right. Bump update. Do I look fat yet? Yeah. Sorry. A little baby in there. It's the size of a grapefruit. And, boy or girl, we don't know yet. 2 more weeks and we'll find out. Ooh. Let's see. No. Yeah, I have to take some cute footage of it. Oh, finished. You're so smart. Oh my gosh. Almost ruined it. Sister.